What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how I made this transition. All these VFX were done in Premiere Pro. This program is more than capable of handling the type of VFX we're doing. So let's open it up and get started. First thing I do is import all my clips. I acted out the scene in reverse order so I could do the whole thing in one take. Next, I got shots of my clothes falling off for the transition, and finally I got a clean plate of the location for filling in the background. Next, I assembled all the clips into their proper timing so they lined up, and oh boy, this next part is going to take a while. The biggest and most important step is to mask out and rotoscope all of your elements that make up your transition, so clothes falling, the hat, and both duplicates of your character. Pro tip, always mask in the shadows. This will help sell your effect and make it look real. Once that's all done, I nested all the clips together, added a quick color grade, added some final crops, and there you go.